Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the keyboard and grab a keycap puller. This protects switches. Remove the spacebar evenly from both ends so the stabilizer doesn't bend. Once removed, lay the keycap and wire aside. Inspect the stabilizer housing, the metal wire, and the clips for cracks or debris. This tells you whether cleaning, relubing, or clip repair is needed. Make sure to note which direction the wire hooks into the keycap. This matters for reassembly and prevents misalignment later. Once the spacebar is off, clean both stabilizer housings and the wire with isopropyl on a swab to remove dirt and old lubricant. You want bare, dry surfaces before relubing. This ensures adhesion and smoothness. Apply a thin, even film of PTFE or dielectric grease to the slider rails and the 90-degree bends of the wire. Avoid excess that attracts dust. Reseat the wire into the stabilizer feet. Press until you feel a small click so the wire sits square and tension is balanced across both sides. Now reattach the wire into the housings and align the keycap. Press evenly until it snaps on. You should test the spacebar with progressive presses, from light taps to full strokes, to detect rattle, wobble, or binding. If you hear noise, add a tiny extra lube to the contact points or shim the stabilizer with thin tape under the housing for stability. If the key still misbehaves, replace the stabilizer clips or wire. This resolves warped or cracked parts that cleaning and lube cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.